Hello and welcome friends. Today our topic is understanding mobile apps in digital marketing season 2. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is understanding mobile apps in digital marketing season 2. So, an effective mobile marketing approach includes more than just optimizing your website to work well on mobile devices. More and more businesses are also investing in mobile apps to engage with customers on the go. Now let's hear from Pumpcart. They said, "We had everything available on the website. It was not that mobile friendly, so we thought of going a step ahead and providing a mobile app to the customers who are using phones." We were seeing that more of the users are coming from mobile usage. Mobile is something which you are carrying when you are moving around. So if you are installing a pump or something, there is an easy reference where you can see it and refer to any detail you want. We wanted a platform which is very simple, very easy to use, because here we are talking about pumps. So pumps could be bought by the farmers. They could be bought by the retailers, shopkeepers, so these are not very tech-savvy people. Immediately, within 5 minutes, they will get all the plans with all the technological specifications and they can buy it in a one shot. People can just find, send details, whatever information they are looking for within a few clicks. They can actually see the products, they can see various specifications. If they want some customization, they can request to them on their app exactly. But what purposes do mobile apps serve? And how do you know if creating one can benefit your business? We will discuss what makes a mobile app different from a mobile website, the benefits of mobile apps, and how to determine whether a mobile app is right for you. Your mobile app website is pretty much a simpler version for your main site. Mobile friendly sites offer most of the things same as your main site, but are just built to work well on smaller screens. Visitors access a mobile site on a mobile web browser just as they would on a full-size computer browser. Mobile apps, on the other hand, are the applications that can be downloaded and installed onto a mobile. The apps typically provide specific functions that not as easily accomplished on a web browser, etc. They are often integrated with common smartphones features like the camera or GPS. There are so many ways that apps can directly benefit your businesses. Let's look at some examples. Okay, imagine you are on a supermarket and you have decided to create an app to help drive online orders. One of the main benefits of apps is that they can send messages to the persons on their mobile phones directly. These are called push notifications. You could use them to send your customers notifications about various discount offers or announce arrival of new visitors on items or products. Your app could also power a new loyalty program. Your customers could use the app to earn points for every order they place on the app and for unique discount code for next purchases. Simplified checkout on your app could also allow customers to place their order in just a few clicks ahead. And then your app can use their mobile's GPS to share directions to the store. With so many possibilities for your business, you may decide to develop your own app. So how do you start then? It helps to think about your business goals and what you do like visitors to accomplish on a mobile. Perhaps you can achieve all these things on your mobile website, but you might identify a specific business goal that would be better served by an app as well. This might be your next step towards online success. So let's sum up. A mobile app can complement your mobile website, helping your customers accomplish specific useful goals. An app for your business can help increase customer loyalty. You can actively communicate with customers and help them make purchases easily on their mobile devices, etc. Can't wait to get started? Well, you have got a couple of options. You can find a professional app developer to work with or check out one of the self-service tools out, such as AppMaker and AppyPie. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.